Everyone, welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your purchase could not be completed in iPhone and iPad after update iOS 17. If you face this type of error, so how can fix it? Go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here click on Apple ID banner name. From here what you need to do it, sign out your Apple ID and restart your device, and after few minutes you have again sign in, and after that check whether problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again setting, and from here scroll down and click on screen time. Scroll down and click on content and privacy restriction, and click on iTunes and App Store purchase, and click on installing app. And from here what you need to do it, select allow option, and after that go back your home screen and open your again setting, and from here click on Apple ID banner name, scroll down and click on media and purchase, and click on view account, and from here click on manage payment. And from here what you need to do is remove your old payment method and add new payment method, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.